Good morning everyone. I am AXCEL PLEGINO from San Isidro Elementary School, Bayan-Bayanan. For today's episode, we are making a carrot smoothie. So before we start, I'm gonna show you the benefits of our carrot smoothie. The first benefit is it has high in fiber. The second benefit is it has vitamin C, A, and K. And it can boost our immune system lalo na ngayon na pandemic. So here are the ingredients. We have 1 large carrot, 1 small apple, 2 small bananas, our freshly squeezed mangoes, and our citrus juice. Okay, so now let's proceed to our next procedure. We need to cut and peel the carrots. And now we have to set aside the cut apples and proceed to the next one. And then we have to set aside. Put them all together, then blend it. And then now let's blend it all together. Now let's add some mangoes to add flavor. And then now let's add the juice. And blend it again. And then let's blend it again. And lastly, let's put the ice. And then let's blend it again. Okay, lagay na natin. na ating carrot smoothie. Tikman naman natin. I-try nyo na habang pandemic. Healthy ka na, safe pa. And we're done. Thank you for watching.